If you want to add color to the concrete, blend the liquid cement color into the water before you begin mixing. Keeping this water-to-color ratio the same from bag to bag will help ensure consistent color throughout the project. This is important for a pathway because each form will require one 80-pound bag of concrete. Be sure the ground is flat and well compacted before you begin laying your pathway. Press the Walkmaker form into the ground at the desired location. As you shovel the concrete into the form, it will need to be forced into the recesses of the space with a small trowel to completely fill the form. Tapping the sides of the form will help release any trapped air bubbles that will mar the finish. As soon as the form is full, remove the form. Now you can use a float to smooth the surface and clean up the edges of the concrete. To add a textured finish, you can use a masonry brush or a broom to gently sweep the surface. Rinsing the forms between pours prevents any buildup on the forms. As you lay out and pour additional forms, be sure that the surface of each one is flush with the previous one. When the path is complete, be sure to allow the concrete to fully cure before using it.